Right now in Chicago, an American Airlines aircraft blowing a tire a few minutes ago at Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. It aborted a takeoff. We're told the passengers were removed from this plane. Everybody appears to be okay, but a scary time on a crazy day, and it's not done.